Lord Lamington's chef invented this recipe in 1896 and made it Australia's most loved dessert as of 2021. Let's make Australian Lamingtons. Take a bowl, add 125 grams of butter, 1 cup castor sugar, half teaspoon vanilla extract and beat them. Now add your 3 eggs in it and beat them again with your hand mixer. Now take 1 3/4 cup of sifted self-raising flour and half cup milk. Add half of the flour and half milk first and give it a good mix with the help of wooden spoon or spatula. Don't overmix it. Add rest of the flour and milk and give it another mix until there are no lumps in the cake batter. Put your cake batter in baking tray. Tap the tray on table surface to get rid of the air bubbles. Now bake your cake batter in a preheated oven at 160 Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Keep your cake on a cooling rack for 10 to 20 minutes. After that, cover it with cling wrap and put it in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. After 3 to 4 hours, take your cake out of the fridge. Cut your cake into pieces and set it aside. Now it's time to make icing for the Lamingtons. Take 2 cups of sifted icing sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of melted butter and half cup boiling water. Whisk it until smooth. First, take a piece of your cake and put it in the chocolate icing we made earlier. With the help of a spoon and fork, cover your cake in the chocolate. Shake off any excess, toss in coconut and cover all sides with your hands. Repeat the same process with remaining cake blocks. Once done, keep them in the fridge or let them stand for 2 hours or until set. And your heavenly Lamingtons are ready to serve with a hot cuppa. Enjoy.